Hello, I'm Bill. Welcome to another video. Sorry for the shaking. My GoPro's out of action at the minute. I've got to charge it up and reformat the memory card. So today I'm just going to give you a little update on the garden, and hopefully you like what I'll show you. Alright, just turn you around. This is a beautiful rose that's literally just been taken over by bugs, but there we go. This rose is doing absolutely fantastic. Look at that, stunning. And it has some stunning, the thing is, it doesn't smell of anything, but it's absolutely beautiful. I mean, look at that stem there, look, absolutely fantastic. And I've got more roses. This is a nice scented David Austin rose that's going to come out, and I need to get rid of the bindweed. It's driving me mad, the bindweed. This is a buddleia, that's a butterfly bush, and what I like to do is cut it down, and can you see when I cut it you get 2 stems instead of 1. 2 for 1. I've got a nice dahlia coming back there, and the irises absolutely went, no word of a lie, they went to about 4 foot tall, and that's because I put some chicken poo on them early in the season. And the violas are doing absolutely fantastic. And you've got the pansies, they look pretty, absolutely stunning colour. We've got lovely dahlias. I just love the symmetry of dahlias, they're absolutely fantastic. Some more flowers, some pretty flowers. I've done the first basket. I've screwed it into this what do you call it, insulation stuff, so I'm hoping that's good, but I've noticed some rust coming down there, so that's no good. Might have to get a new bracket. That lovely little sunflower, absolutely beautiful. Look at the black bugs going onto it. My spuds are doing absolutely fantastic. I've sampled a few of these actually and put the plant back in, so I'm hoping I get some more spuds out of it. But they have flowered. I should be digging these up probably next week. Another thing is something I love most is Primo Cabbage. Absolutely fantastic Primo Cabbage, a nice round cabbage. I think it's an English cabbage, but there we go. So that's all netted from the butterflies. My shallots, they have been a bit of a disaster this year. They split like the shallots do, but I didn't get any other growth, so I don't know what you think, but I've done them all in a line like this. I don't know, it's been a right rubbish year. And these are my onions from seed. Now from seed, that's not too bad a size, I must admit, but I'm used to getting much bigger bulbs than that, and I don't know if it's the weather or what, but I've been watering them and they're not going anywhere. I mean, look at these onions. I bought these in Tesco's just on a reduced rack, and they're doing better than the onions I've done from seed, so a bit disappointing. But they're I don't know if they're Red Baron, but they're red onion. And you can see my beautiful sunflowers there. I'm going to try and get irrigation set up instead of having all the hoses, and sometimes the hose whips around the plants and gets rid of the plants. And here's all my lettuces. I think they look fantastic. I'll be harvesting these in the next few days because they've got some nice big fat outer leaves. So the best thing is just to keep pulling it, the outer leaves. Even if you don't eat the outer leaves, I'll give them to the chickens, so that's good. A nice standard rose. I think it's going to be a yellow rose. There we go, look, as you can see. Sorry for the sun. Absolutely, that's going to be fantastic, that. And my sweet corns, I'll try and come behind the, absolutely fantastic. Look at them sweet corns, Now, if you watch my other video, you'd have seen the sweet corns, how to pollinate them. So go and check that video out. I'll put the video in this corner for you. But they're absolutely fantastic. And the marigolds, I just stuck them there because it looks a bit boring, the corn at the bottom, and marigolds, I quite like them. The sweet corns have been couch grassed basically. I want to kill this grass all off because it's I've inherited it from another person that's just didn't take any care of this grass, so I'm not happy with the grass. So there we go. I got some leeks out of Tesco's. They've all just been potted in. I usually do them by seed, to be fair, but it's not too bad buying them. You know, I think they were £2. I don't know how many I got. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 leeks. So that's not too bad for £2. I'm sorry for the light, it's just sunsetting. Gooseberry bushes started to bulk up. I've put some chicken poo around it today, so that will like that, and the bit more chicken poo all onto the rhubarb. I've been watering these every day. This is a pear tree now. Doesn't look like much, but I should think it's got a bit of a nutrition deficiency. So I've put some poo down there, chicken manure. Now this apple tree is absolutely fantastic. I mean, look at these apples. They're fantastic. Look at them apples, look. Sorry, he's got grasses flying in the way. That's probably not good. No, that's going to fall off. But look at these apples. They're look at my thumb. So they're about 1.5 inches wide at the minute. And I get back. Look at the tree. It's full of them. Absolutely full. I've got Bramley apple. There's quite a few on this tree. Not as much as that other tree. That's gone phenomenal. That has. It had the most beautiful pink flowers in the start of the spring. I was really sort of happy with that, and the neighbours over the road absolutely loved it. That's another. I think it's Falstaff. I think. Let's have a look. I've got the labels. Oh, Cox's orange. Cox's orange, this one, so that'd be a nice one. When we moved into this property, it didn't have any hedging at the front, and I like to be a bit more secluded, and plus it cuts down on the weather, you know, the strong winds. So I've put all these privet hedgings in because I quite like privet hedging, and it's flowered really nicely. I've put some chicken poo on the bottoms. I waltz it every day, and new shoots are coming up, so I'm absolutely fantastic news for that. This is another one. I'm not too sure, but that's only got about 4 little apples on it. And this tree, I'm not sure what variety that one was, but we'll see when it fruits next year. I'm not sure. I took this tree. I hate these things. I can't think what they're called, but it grows so vigorously. So I've cut all that back, so I could plant my pumpkin basically, and that's just going to cover this area. But I don't know what that is. It's like a grass of some sort. It's got like little catkins. I'm not sure what they are, but I will also just sort of say, I've got an air brick under here, and the bumblebees have set up home under there, so I'm absolutely thrilled that they've chose my home to come under. Now I could have asked for any better, because they pollinate all the flowers and everything, so they can stay there all winter if they want. I'm happy for them to stay under my floor, and I don't hear them at all, so absolutely fantastic. Oh, I hope you liked that video. It was just a quick sort of update because I haven't done a video in over a week, so I apologise. I usually do my Tip Tuesday videos every week on Tuesdays at 9 AM, but I've been so busy with the farmers markets doing my hams. They've been really busy, so I do apologise, but we will be getting back to action with all the videos. And I'm sorry for the shaky action. I'm going to get the GoPro back on action, so we won't get all the sort of shakiness. So, well, I hope you liked the video anyway, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you. Bye bye.